Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. We're all loaded up, ready to go. Back at the Best Western Hotel. Had an amazing few days here, guys, like a really exciting few days. But you'll hear all about that in a future video. I've still got a couple more meetings to go. So I'm going to put it all in one video, release that when I've got a better idea. But it could mean the future of Mad Dog Adventures. I'm very, very excited, very excited. Oh, and I didn't tell you, today we're off to Peshawar, and it'll probably take me 2 or 3 days to get there. But for now, we're going to sort of head towards Rawalpindi, which is a suburb of Islamabad, and then we'll head towards Peshawar, which is on the Afghani border. I actually bought 2 microphones. Little lapel mics so that you get better audio when I'm on the bike and better audio when I'm with the hand cam. But they don't work. It's the USB-C. I tried the normal plug slot like a headphone jack, but that didn't work because they were the 3-slot ones. GoPro, you need the 2-slot ones, and I couldn't find 2-slot ones anywhere, so I was told that the USB-C ones would work. I can't get them to work. I've got 2, they didn't cost me much, but I'll find some 2-slot ones up the road somewhere, and we can start having much, much better audio at these times, and when I'm doing the handheld camera, when I'm looking around. Everyone tells me to stop looking around so much because the audio gets bad, but it's just who I am, guys. I think you all realise now I'm pretty animated. All the side streets, getting out of Lahore again. I hope it doesn't take me to that gate I can't get through, but at least it hasn't been raining. Well, if you remember the last time I left Lahore, it was all muddy on that road. We should be alright, I think. So these guys just pulled me over to say hello. Yeah. I'm from Australia, but I have to get going, my friend. I'm in everyone's way, so subscribe and you will be on Thursday. You'll be on YouTube.
Where is your friend?
They're just coming behind me, but I have to go, my friend. Okay. Salam alaikum. Well guys, I've got 2 hours sore butt, and I'm really quite surprised that it actually took about 2 hours. I thought after having a month off I would have been sore ages ago, so I've just stopped, having a quick drink, bit of a relax, and then I'll be right for the rest of the day. Not sure how far we'll get today. It's still early, so I've got plenty of time. Oh guys, getting up this morning, loading up the bike, it was hard to do after a month off, but as soon as I was on it, so happy, so happy. I just got lazy having that time off. Yeah. Oh, guys, I don't want this to end, really. I don't want it to end. And guys, if you remember in the Osama bin Laden video, I stopped and had a cup of tea with these guys. I was riding past, I couldn't ride past without stopping in. Such happy people. And they've got water for me, they're getting a cup of tea. Look at the smile on this man's face. Goodbye, my friends. I'll see you next time. hopefully with all these meetings I've been having, Janet will be able to come with me from now on. Or she'll be able to choose whether she wants to come with me or not. When it's nice, easy roads, nice country, she can come with me. When it's stuff like Ladakh, she can go home to Colombia or Australia. It'll be completely up to her. At least we won't be forced to be apart. Stopped at this nice hotel. It's about 3 in the afternoon. Asked them how much. They said, oh, $30. Well, 6,000 rupee. I said, you got Wi-Fi? They said yes. I said, can I pay by card? They said yes. And I said, oh, well, let's have a room. Oh, we have no rooms available, sir. Oh, I just saw a sign. Rawalpindi is only 110 kilometres away. So worst comes to worst, I'll be there in 2 hours. So I'm alright, but if I can find a decent hotel soon, I'm going to stop. My butt hurts. First day back after a month. Well, this is the 3rd hotel I've stopped at that's fully booked. And one I didn't stop at, and I said to myself then, you're going to regret this, you should have at least gone in and checked, but I hate it when I'm right. Nice hotel here, but I'm just going to go turn around and have a quick look. As far as I can see, I'll be parking outside next to a service station, yes. That's the parking right there, so guys, we'll get a little bit further up the road. Another one booked out, but they did tell me that there's one down the road. It's about 25 kilometres, so maybe half an hour, but at least I know that there's something down the road. The Gina Hotel, they said. So let's get back on the road. My butt's sore, I'm tired, but I'm happy, guys. Happy to be back on the bike. Salam alaikum, my friend. Well, guys, I got here maybe 5:30 last night, the Nuva Hotel. We're about half an hour out of Rawalpindi. Really nice hotel, guys. Probably the best shower I've had in Pakistan or India, maybe. Really nice hot water, heaps of pressure. Yeah, sorry I didn't film when I got here, but I was that exhausted. That was a big day. And I was saying to you yesterday how surprised I wasn't sore after a month off. Well, today I know I had a month off because every muscle in my body hurts. But luckily I'm only going into Rawalpindi today. Book into a hotel, make a video, so it should be a fairly easy day today. And then head for Peshawar tomorrow. Peshawar. These are the guys, this is the owners and the guys that have been looking after me since I got here. But now, I'm going to head to my next hotel, do some editing, and then go and look at Rawalpindi. Guys, when you're booking in Rawalpindi, if you're booking through booking.com or something, make sure you know where your hotel is, because that's Rawalpindi over there. My hotel's kind of off on a tangent and there's a river in between us. So I actually have to go back almost to the hotel I stayed at last night to go into Rawalpindi. But that's alright, guys. And I knew that last night when I booked this because I checked on Google Maps, but this has got a 10. So every person that's ever stayed at this hotel has given it a 10, so I think it's worth the extra 20 minutes ride when I go and make a video today. Yeah, we'll see, guys. Hopefully it's not their own comments that have given it a 10. We will find out. Well, guys, it's a bit of this is the place right here. It's not what was advertised in the TV. I'm pretty sure all the reviews that got them 10 stars, 10 out of 10, they've put in those reviews themselves, I think. And it's 40 minutes from Rawalpindi. They advertise it as Rawalpindi, but you can see on there, 40 minutes. So luckily this is one of the ones you pay at the hotel. I've told them I'm not paying them, and I'm going into town. Now booking online's usually been pretty good for us, but that's one of the disadvantages of it, guys. You never know what you're going to get till you get there. But not booking online, I get days like yesterday where I end up searching for a couple of hours for a hotel. So it's got its advantages, but it's also got its disadvantages. I saw a few in India, but this is my first one in Pakistan. This guy's been hit by that car, and the guy's just sitting in his car doing nothing. Everyone else is picking this guy up off the road, so I'm a bit disappointed. I thought Pakistan was different. So, change of plans, guys. Going to Peshawar today. It's about 3 hours Google Maps. It's 12 o'clock now. I should be there by 4 or 5. I've booked a nice hotel, which was a bit expensive, but my hotel in the Best Western Premier in Lahore, they recommended this hotel because of security and things, because Peshawar's not like it used to be, but there's still people there. It's the same as parts of Colombia. You still have to watch your back. So yeah, I'm staying at this nice hotel with plenty of security. Anyway guys, I think I'll finish this video here and start a new one for Peshawar. So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that mad dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.